Good day, folks. 7 First Alert meteorologist Keenan Smith. Temps are in the 30s outside right now under mostly cloudy skies. We are looking for showers to develop. You can see that rain back out to the west headed this way. That rain will move through this morning and it'll generally be light rain. Not going to add to any flooding concerns, but it will dampen the roads, especially for the second half of the morning drive. So our hour-by-hour futurecast shows we're quiet in the very early morning hours. Now we're getting to about the 8 o'clock hour, and you can see that rain coming through. Sticks around, but it's gone sticks around for a couple of hours, but gone by about noon. So between about 8 o'clock and noon, we'll be wet, and then we dry out, and temperatures are going to warm up. We're going to push into the upper 40s today, so it'll be a mild day. We'll look for a high that'll peak near 49 degrees, mostly cloudy with a chance at morning showers. Winds turn to the southwest at 5 to 10 miles an hour. We're down to 34 degrees tonight, mostly cloudy, a quiet night. Tomorrow, looking for a high temperature that'll climb into the mid-40s, so it'll be a touch cooler for us for Saturday. As we move into Sunday, we're looking for a high temperature near 51 degrees. That'll be one of the milder days. We're dry Monday and Tuesday, but we have rain back Wednesday and Thursday of this week. But all of these days in the forecast are above average for this time of year.